Want to add friends on Snapchat but not sure how? This video is for you. I'll show you how to easily add friends on Snapchat using your Android device. Having friends on your Snap makes everything more fun. So let's get you connected. There are two simple methods to do this. So let's dive in. Method 1. Add from chats. Open Snapchat app on your phone. Swipe left to open the chats menu. Tap on the search icon. Now type the username of the person you want to add. When their profile appears, tap add or plus next to their name, and then they will be sent a friend request. Method 2. Add from contacts. Open Snapchat. Go to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji. Scroll down and tap add friends. Select all contacts or sync contacts. Snapchat will show people in your phone contacts who have accounts. Simply tap add next to their profile and a request will be sent. All that's left now is for them to accept, and you're good to go. That's how simple it is to add friends on Snapchat. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Catch you later.